So this is Glue Garage here, and this is the next part of the Honda SM-X Lowdown Fujimi kit. I'm reaching the final stages of this build. Got some last sort of assembly, adding some bits and pieces. So here I've got the window glasses which have been painted. Only the sort of side windows here and the rear window that needed painted. The main glass actually doesn't have any black sections, so don't need to worry about painting that. Also got the rear spoiler here, painted in flat black, just sort of matches up with the bumpers. Also have the wing mirrors, painted in Tamiya chrome silver. I might need to give them another coat before putting on the car. Also have number plate holder here, which I've put together. This metal section's off of a Aoshima Honda City Turbo. I had a spare one, so just put that on for the front number plate, and just give it a bit of a nicer look. I've also made a cage for the spare wheel on the bottom of the car, so it'll fit in over the top here. Made that out of an old roll cage that I had in my spare parts box, so that will be getting glued in. Also on the dashboard, in previous videos I was complaining about the lack of heater controls in here. While I was rooting about in my spare parts box, I found these heater controls from an old kit of mine, so I've painted that up. That's ready to be glued in place. So the next step is just to start putting all these sort of final little bits and pieces together. I'm toying with the idea of tinting the window glass. I've got the sunroof here, so I'm going to do a little test. I've never done it before, so I'll do a little test on the sunroof. I've got some Tamiya smoke, so hopefully that should go in reasonably easy, and see how that looks, because the car actually comes with the rear glass tinted, so I'd like to try and recreate that. I've also got some sprue here which I've melted and stretched out to make an aerial. The car comes with two aerials, so I've got one here which will attach. You can see here there's a little aerial attachment moulded into the body, so I'm just going to attach the piece of this sprue just coming up here, and there's actually two aerials on the car. So I've found this old aerial here, part of an old kit, so that will go on the other side, just beside the sunroof, just up here. That would be the sat nav or television aerial from when the car was in Japan. But yeah, so on to putting this all together. So here we have the heater controls glued into place, gives it a much better look, and also the new steering wheel that I mentioned in the last video. I've chromed the Honda badge in the centre there, just gives it a much better look. On to the next. So here I've got the cage glued in place. It looks pretty good. Just fits nicely over that spare wheel there. Okay, so I've started putting the glass in the car here. So I've got the rear window in, back 3/4 panel there, glass that goes in there, and the larger glass at the side here, and the sunroof. Need to clean up a little bit of the white glue, but I'm waiting for it to completely dry before doing so, so need to give it a wee wipe down. I've also fitted the rear spoiler, and I have made up just a couple of aerials, one for driver's side and one for the passenger side. So I will be fitting them shortly. I also have to fit the wing mirrors. I've got one here. And the other one, went to put the glass, the mirror bit on the inside, and it fell on the floor and vanished into another dimension. So I'm going to have a wee hunt about for that. If I can't find it, I'll just have to paint on the inside here. If I find it, I can fit it, but it's typical. Okay, so I have the windows fitted in place and give them a little bit of a clean. I've also fitted the body. So we're really nearing the end of this build. Still have to fit window wipers and front number plate and the aerials. And then once that's done, I can go around, tidy up some of the PVA white glue. There's a couple of wee bits still needing a little clean, but it's looking pretty good. So here we have it. This is the Fujimi Honda SM-X, pretty much done. I've still got a couple of little bits and pieces that I need to do. One of the window wipers arms was broken on the sprue, so that's currently waiting to dry up. I've glued it back together. So once that's dry, I'll be popping that on. But as you can see, it's pretty much finished. I've attached the antennas for that proper JDM look. A couple of little bits of PVA I just need to tidy up, but it's like 99.9% complete. I still have to do number plate decal, need to add in and fit the front number plate, but other than that it's pretty much done. So, and thanks for watching. In the next video I'll be doing a sort of kit review, just giving my thoughts on this kit. So yeah, if you like the video, hit subscribe, leave a wee comment and a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.